Join me as I dive into the world of lottery numerology and see if I can turn my dreams into winning numbers. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real, so vivid, that you couldn't shake the feeling that it was trying to tell you something? Maybe it was a recurring dream, or maybe it was just a one-time thing, but either way, you couldn't help but wonder if there was more to it than just your brain's way of processing the day's events. For some people, dreams can be a powerful tool for tapping into the collective unconscious, a way of accessing knowledge and insight that goes beyond the rational mind. And for those who believe in lottery numerology, dreams can be a direct line to the winning numbers themselves. The idea is that our dreams can reveal hidden patterns and codes, if we know how to interpret them. We've all been there, staring at that tiny piece of paper, wondering which numbers to choose, hoping against hope that this will be the one that changes everything. But the truth is, most of us have no idea how to choose our numbers, and we're stuck relying on luck or random selection. It's a frustrating feeling, knowing that there must be a better way, but having no idea what that way is. For those of us who have tried and failed, who have spent countless dollars on tickets that have yielded nothing but disappointment, the desire for a reliable method can be overwhelming. We've tried every strategy under the sun, from birthdays and anniversaries to astrology and statistically significant numbers. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to chance, and that's just not good enough. So we keep searching, hoping to stumble upon that one secret trick that will guarantee our success. And for some people, that trick is lottery numerology. By analyzing our dreams, we can uncover hidden patterns and codes that can reveal the winning numbers. It's a way of tapping into the collective unconscious, of accessing knowledge and insight that goes beyond the rational mind. But what exactly are these dreams that can reveal winning numbers? For some people, it's as simple as dreaming of specific numbers or sequences of numbers. Maybe you dreamed of the number 27, or of a sequence of 3579. Whatever it is, the idea is that these numbers hold significance, and that they can be used to inform our lottery choices. For others, it's not just about numbers, but about symbols and metaphors. Maybe you dreamed of a snake, which in numerology corresponds to the number 7. Or maybe you dreamed of a rose, which corresponds to the number 22. Whatever the symbol, the idea is that it holds hidden meaning, and that it can be used to uncover the winning numbers. Of course, not everyone believes in lottery numerology, and there are those who would say that it's nothing more than superstition. But for those who have experienced it firsthand, who have seen their dreams come true in the form of winning tickets, it's hard to deny the power of this ancient practice. Take, for example, the story of Maria, who had a recurring dream of a specific set of numbers for weeks on end. At first, she ignored it, thinking it was just her brain's way of processing stress. But as the dreams continued, she couldn't shake the feeling that there was more to it. So she decided to listen to her inner voice, and she played those numbers in the lottery. And you guessed it, she won big time. Or take the story of John, who had a dream of a specific symbol, a golden eagle, which in numerology corresponds to the number 11. He dreamed of this eagle over and over again, and eventually, he decided to take a chance and play the number 11 in the lottery. And again, he won. These stories might sound like anomalies, but for those who believe in lottery numerology, they're proof that this ancient practice can really work. By tapping into the collective unconscious, by listening to our dreams, we can uncover hidden patterns and codes that can reveal the winning numbers. So what does it all mean? In the end, it comes down to this: our dreams are powerful tools, and they can reveal more than we ever thought possible. Whether you believe in lottery numerology or not, the truth is that our dreams can hold hidden meaning, and it's up to us to listen to them. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever had a dream that came true, or that you think might hold hidden meaning for the lottery? Let me know, and don't forget to check out more videos on numerology and lottery strategies.